Alright, we're here doing a timeless treasures. Not any timeless treasures. If somehow this camera were to work, those numbers say void. So, here's a picture of a regular one. See the long numbering right there? This one says void. Long numbering, void. Alright. Let's only hope it meant something special. Don't screw us, Panini. Void, Dwayne Bowe. It's so thick, there's like 50 cards in there. I see 3, like, regular 50 cards. Maybe it means void all the autos. So if it's crap autos, then... Oh, sorry guys. Okay, first one, Andre Johnson. We got Dwayne Bowe. And then we have, oh, Nate Washington, sorry. And here we go, rookie DJ Williams. Maybe it's 1 of 1 or something. Duel Eric Dickerson. I don't know who that is. Oh, it's just Duel. Sorry guys. I'm not really into football too much. And Johnny Knox. We're going to void 21 of 299. Johnny Knox is 20 of 250. Eric Dickerson is 14 of 249. This was a bad box, guys. If you ever see the words void, you void it. Literally void it. Alright, guys.